Welcome to the Mango County Resort, the gem of Palakkad, where you will be treated just like a king or moreover like the god. Cause here everyone upholds the motto Aditi Devo Bhava, meaning guest is God. Spread out wide in 6.5 acres of land, the Mango County offers you endless experiences that are purely exotic, charismatic, and overwhelming. Thirteen villas with premium facilities. An environment close to nature. Tree house with lake view. Boating in the lake. Swimming pool. Fully equipped fitness center. Billiards. The multi-cuisine restaurant in the shape of a houseboat. Fresh and tasty lake fish delicacies. Facility to enjoy the rain in every season. Soul-touching spots for yoga and meditation. Entertainment facilities for kids and adults. Cultural events. Ayurvedic spa to rejuvenate and heal your body and soul. Butterfly garden. Opportunity to watch peacocks in your villa courtyard. Facility to conduct weddings, corporate events and get-togethers. Opportunity to visit nearest tourist destinations like Malampura Dam and Garden, Nilyampati Hills, Parambikulam Tiger Reservoir, Kava Island and much more. It doesn't end here. There is a lot more about the Mango County Resort that you will start exploring. Once you step in for sure, once you spend a day and a night here, you will never leave without an urge to come back to Palakkad, to come back to the Mango County. The Mango County Resort, Pudur, Palakkad. Phone 0491 297 0343.